everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about tornado, as you can see here. So the things I used for the tornado was a plastic bottle, and you see this, I don't know what it's called, but it's something cool. And I used wires to fix it, so then it will work. So, and I also use this, as you can see, and I also needed instructions. So this is my instructions. You have to use all the instructions, you see, and then I can make it. It's actually quite cool. It doesn't take like an hour. It takes I think 30 minutes, that's all. Like just half an hour, so short. And you see this thing? So probably the tornado moves so fast that it can suck up everything. You see this? All these things, right? It's actually the houses, hotels, condos, even plants and trees. And it sucks up everything, even cars. Okay? So the tornado is like this, but much bigger. And then the tornado is formed like a big hurricane. Yeah, you know hurricanes, right? So you guys can find out this this spot's called Kidzlabs, and then you can find different things about tornadoes, the sky, everything. So see you guys later. Have a nice day, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.